calculated everything, it came together kind of okay.
This one took me a while. I had to read it a few times again. I think that's just going to be my life. I'm going to have to read it over and over and over again until I get them.
Well, what I did, as many numbers as it was, when I was doing part 2 and the confidence levels, like I did the 541 plus, and then I did parentheses, and then the percentile, which is the 1.96, and then parentheses, and then everything else, and then parentheses twice, and then equal, which is a lot of numbers. But when I started doing it that way, my answers started coming out the way they were supposed to.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, mostly it's just understanding what they're trying to say. Oh my gosh, I finally just wrote down the formulas and ran with it, and then read it again. So it's good.
Yeah, well,
we didn't understand why.
Just write down the formulas, figure out which numbers belong to which letter.
Mhm.
I think I did pretty good with the formulas. It was just when it was asking with this, you know, as your confidence got smaller, does your whatever get bigger? It was kind of that.
Sure.
Well, isn't it if the confidence decreases, the margin of error decreases?
I did write it down. Does the confidence get smaller with increases?
Yes.
With increases? Okay, I thought it could. Decreases with an error decrease. And then confidence level increases as the margin of error increases.
Yes.
So it's either both up or both down.
Yes. But as your sample size increases, your confidence interval decreases.
Okay. And that's what he warned about in his video, is making sure you knew the difference between the two because they were completely opposite.
Yeah.
I'm having a hard time hearing you, but Monica seems to hear you, so I'm going to agree with her.
Okay.
Okay. Does anybody have any questions on any of them then? Do you want to go over?
No, I'm good on this one.
Yeah.
Hey, Monica.
I'm good on this one too. I've even done the homework assignment, though I haven't done the homework quiz yet. And I'm doing okay on the homework too.
I did okay on the homework assignment. I took the homework quiz and I got a 92. But, you know, well, it bugs me that you can't find out what you missed until it closes on Saturday.
Right?
At that point, I'll probably forget to go look.
Yeah, I've done that too. I got an 80% on a couple of the homework quizzes and just never did go back and look because it's like, by then, why bother? We're done with it.
Yeah. You're done with it and you're moving on to the next one.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's start the quiz then.
My computer. Hello. Sorry, Firefox isn't responding. Okay, whoop, there it went.
Okay.
Okay. So number 1 would be 65.4, right?
You are done already?
I was going to say, I'm just writing it down so I can figure it out.
I know, so am I.
So slow down, girl. Okay, so the confidence level at 90% is 1.645.
Whoa, what am I looking at?
Hold on.
I am in the homework quiz. Oops.
Uh-oh. We'll leave that open.
Right? I'm going to have to take that after this meeting, aren't I? Oopsie. Sorry about that, y'all.
All right.
I got 16.45.
Okay, I'm writing it down.
I'm still waiting to get my quiz up.
Oh, okay. Well, we will just slow down.
Dude, I hate it when I do
I'm trying to
things.
figure out how to set this one up because we've got the margin of error is already set. Okay, never mind. I'm using the wrong formula.
Yeah, margin of error formula is the z times the standard deviation divided by the sample size square rooted. I probably said all that wrong.
I got it.
Okay.
Still trying to get my quiz up. But
Oh, you are?
yes, my computer runs stupid slow. It's old and tired. Okay. Now, 1.645 times. I am so sorry I'm running so slow.
No, you're good. I just have to write this down because otherwise my head doesn't grasp it.
Over the square root of 25, which is actually 5. 1.645 times 50 equals 11 equals 16.45.
That is done.
What was that?
16.45?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, that's what I've got.
Okay.
Because we did the 1.645, which is equivalent to the 0.9 on the applet, multiplied by over the square root of 25.
Yep.
Yeah.
But you round to 3 decimal places, so it's 16.450.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, I agree.
Okay.
Okay, next one. The first one?
It's backwards. X bar is the point estimator of mu. Mu is the true mean, and X bar is your sample mean.
So X bar estimates the mean, is how I've got it written in my notes. So I think it's the third one.
Okay.
Bar is a point estimator. And then S, which I can't remember, is that sigma, estimates standard deviation.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I have that written down too. X bar estimates mean.
Mean. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and S estimates the standard deviation.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I do have that written down too.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is one that's a plus minus. I'm just trying to figure out where everything goes.
So I got, for this one, 498.315.
498.315?
498, yeah, 0.315.
for the lower, and the next one's asking for the upper.
$553.685.
Okay, for the upper, I've got 553.685.
Uh-huh.
And I didn't figure the lower yet. Just a second.
Yeah, I got the same thing for the upper.
Yeah, I did too.
Okay. And on the lower, 498.315.
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
And then the width of the confidence interval would decrease.
Decrease? Okay. But then if she changes the confidence interval to 99,
Then it would increase.
it increases. So how did you say that again, Monica? How you said that? If it gets, or was it Dominique that said that?
In my, I put as the confidence level decreases, the margin of error decreases. But okay. I think the confidence interval decreases with sample. I think that's the one that's an opposite.
It is.
I got the opposite one. I want the one that's the same.
That's the, as confidence level decreases, margin of error decreases.
Basically, the confidence level and the margin of error ride together. They both go down together. They both go up together. Confidence interval and sample size go opposite of each other.
Tell me again how you worded that, because I liked that.
Confidence. Say that again.
The confidence level and the margin of error ride together. They both go up or they both go down. The confidence interval and sample size ride opposite of each other. If one goes up, the other goes down.
Okay, so the confidence interval and sample size are opposite.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, I got it written down.
Okay.
Okay, next one.
$146.
Oh, I wrote it in wrong. What'd you get?
245.86, but you round up to the nearest whole number.
Okay.
I haven't figured it out yet. Just a second. $245.86,
But you always round up because you can't have 0.8624 of a light bulb.
So we round up to 246.
Uh-huh.
So I get 99,002.
I'm almost there.
I was gonna say, I'm just a minute behind Jeff.
$99,000. Do they want the whole number? Yeah, 99,002.
I have to refigure because I've got 100,000. But we're doing the lower limit, aren't we?
Yeah.
That could be a problem.
But the next one asks for the upper limit.
Which I had a second ago. What did you get for low limit? I think I'm missing something
too.
Because I've got 104,000.
So what'd you put in for your formula?
Actually, I forgot to put the z-score in. So that could be my big, because I just did the x bar minus the standard deviation over the
That
number.
would make it different.
Yeah, let me put that in with the 90% z-score. I'm not using the right words, but 1.645.
You're looking for the 95%. You need 1.96.
We're looking for 95 or 90%?
95.
Okay. I just changed it from 95 to 90. I'll change it back. I need to read this closer. 1.96. Okay, I think I got it. So the lower one is 99,001.5333.
Right, and then we round that up to the nearest whole number. So
Which is 99,001.
five rounds up. That 0.5 would round up.
99002.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the upper limit. Sorry, I'm kind of slow, but I just want to make sure that this is sinking into my head.
It's okay. This is the way doing the homework went for me. Doing the preparation assignment went for me.
Yeah, that's working through the prep assignment. It helps my head work out these things. I still have to calculate everything.
Right?
$122,998.
112,198.
Okay, I got 122. Hold on.
Oh, I got 122,998 also.
You know what? That makes a whole lot more sense than what I got. I wonder if I didn't just write it down though. No, I'm a dork. I did something wrong because that sounds way more right. You got 122,198. I think I added it to 100,000 instead of 111,000.
So 122,998.4. So it would actually be 122,999.
Well, we only round up, so it'd be 122,998.
Okay, because it's 0.4.
Yeah.
Right.
We only always round up when we're doing the sample, when we're trying to find the sample size.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I got it now.
My other question would be, yeah, if we're only rounding from the first position, that it stays at 8. If we round this, I know that gets complicated because the 6 would round the 4 up to 5, which would round it up to 999. But we should only have to go with the 10th, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
Confused on where he wants to round.
Well, the 6 would only make a difference if you're rounding to 1 decimal point, because then it would be 122,998.5, and then you just leave it.
Okay, but we're not going to change that since we're just rounding it to the whole number.
Right.
Okay. This is all of the above on 12.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That's kind of funny because they are, but it only gives you one choice.
Yeah.
Right?
That is
It
funny.
should be the little squares if it wanted you to choose more than one.
Right?
100%. Woohoo!
Woohoo! I needed a few of those.
Yay.
Yay!
Now I can do the homework one. The one time I did the homework before group, I bombed it. So I do the prep work first and then wait and do the homework after I've secured it in my head a little bit more. But everything's coming together a lot better than it used to.
Well, apparently I have to do the homework quiz right now because
Because you opened it. I'm so sorry.
it's not your fault.
I know, but it's still, I feel badly for you. I wish I could help you out.
Oh, no.
I just barely finished it right before I signed on, and I almost thought, I was like, well, I only have like, I don't remember, 3 more left. I'll just leave it open. And I was like, no, I'll close it out. I know I will. So I just quickly went through and answered it.
Yeah, I'll probably go ahead and get mine worked on so that I can work on less than 11 Thursday morning.
That too.
I work all day tomorrow, so I'm going to be able to touch anything.
Yeah, we're driving back to Colorado this weekend again. So.
Oh. Well, rack up the miles.
Oh my gosh, yeah. We're trying to get our house out there ready to sell, and there's so much work that's got to be done. Oh well.
Yeah.
If I have my choice, I'll never move again.
You know, I said that about 6 moves ago. I am so tired of moving. But, oh well.
Yeah.
I hate moving.
So do I. I'm
I
glad
do.
though. We wound up. We just moved our house out there. Is like less than 900 square feet, and so we really didn't have all that much stuff to move anyway, just because it wouldn't fit in such a small house. So I'm trying really hard not to fill up this house for the next time we have to move.
Yeah, good luck with that. It's way too easy to accumulate.
It really
Yeah.
is. It really is. Alrighty. Well, I guess
Alright.
I'll let y'all go so that I can take that homework quiz.
All right, you take care.
Y'all too. Y'all have a
You guys
good one.
on Thursday, right?
Huh?
See you guys on Thursday.
Yep.
Yeah. See you Thursday. Alright, bye.
Bye.